Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage defending assistant mode. In the beginning, let's go to settings and find game settings. In gameplay, scroll down. Go to defending and here you can select legacy defending, tactical defending and advanced defending. Tactical defending allows you to time your tackles and maintain your position. It will contextually choose, depending on player's position, between a stand tackle and more physical tackle when the circle button is pressed. Advanced defending gives you the freedom to choose your tackle type. Press circle to attempt a stand tackle. Press X to attempt a shoulder challenge or a seal out. Legacy defending allows you to run towards the ball and tackle automatically just by holding X. Just like in earlier FIFAs. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.